Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an annotated bibliography in MLA format. An annotated bibliography is a list of citations, each followed by a concise paragraph. This paragraph, known as the annotation, summarizes, evaluates, and reflects on the source's relevance to your research. It helps you organize your sources and demonstrate your understanding of the scholarly conversation. We will cover the essential steps to create a well-structured and informative annotated bibliography. First, you will create the standard MLA Works cited entry for each source. This includes the author, title, publisher, and publication date, among other details. Ensure your entire bibliography is double-spaced, with 1-inch margins on all sides of the page. Crucially, each citation must have a hanging indent, meaning the first line starts at the left margin, and all subsequent lines are indented by 1/2 inch. This clear formatting helps readers easily distinguish between entries. After your MLA citation, you will write the annotation. This paragraph should be indented an additional 1/2 inch from the hanging indent of the citation itself. Your annotation should typically include 3 main components: a brief summary of the source's content, an evaluation of its authority and quality, and an explanation of its relevance to your research. Aim for a concise paragraph, usually between 100 and 200 words, to effectively convey your analysis. To finalize your annotated bibliography, always proofread meticulously for any grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, or typos. Consistency is key, so double-check that all your citations and annotations strictly follow the MLA formatting guidelines we have discussed. Finally, consider asking a peer or your instructor to review your work. Their fresh perspective can help you catch any overlooked errors and ensure your bibliography is polished and professional.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.